Are you tired of going to the gym daily and still seeing no results? Are those extra belly pouches bothering you? Then here is something you need to know right now. You must have heard about the keto diet raging these days. It is a new form of diet that only involves the use of only proteins. Keto diet has helped many people lose weight who failed even after trying everything. There are studies that also said that patients who regained weight after liposuction had followed the keto diet in order to keep their weight maintained. So, what are the ways by which the keto diet promotes weight loss? Continue watching to find out. 1. Breakdown of the carbs. Your normal diet mostly includes carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are a high source of sugar and they deposit in the body very rapidly. Once they start to accumulate in the body, they then cause obesity and excess weight gain. Keto diet causes the breakdown of carbohydrates by adding proteins in the body. 2. Burning the extra calories. The major thing about the keto diet is that you have to stay in a fasting state for longer periods. When a person starves, the body starts to consume the accumulated fat deposits. When your body enters ketosis, it is then when you start losing weight. 3. Boosting the metabolism. The lesser you eat, the lesser you metabolize. People normally believe in the myth that you put on calories when you eat more. The truth here lies in the kind and portion of eating. If you eat in small portions and after every 3 hours interval, your body will metabolize at a faster rate. Keto diet works on this same principle. You will have to eat after every 2 hours but in small quantities. 4. Keeping you active. A dull, lethargic person would want to stay in bed all day. As a result, no chances of sweating and fat burn. Once your body enters the state of ketosis, you will notice that you are more active, energetic, and will sweat profusely. This is way easier than burning in the gym after investing hours and hours. 5. Feeling of fullness. Since the keto diet is all about proteins, you will feel full most of the time. For example, boiled eggs are the main breakfast course, and according to the keto diet, you need to take 3 boiled eggs at a time. This will surely give you a perception of feeling less hungry and full. Precaution. Following a strict keto diet is not a joke. You need to kill your cravings to the extent of literally forgetting them. Moreover, it demands a lot of patience. Don't look for any miracle because you need to be consistent enough to see the desirable results. In case if you have any pre-existing disease, it is advised to seek assistance from your primary physician first. Patients who are diabetic, have cardiac disorders, pregnant females, nursing mothers are highly exempted from using the keto diet as a means of weight loss. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to see more videos like this. Check the link in the description below to learn more about keto diet.